Hello and welcome to this episode of Digi Global Panvision. I'm Amanda here.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines from abroad. Mangalorean expatriates in Bahrain experience a taste of home at Atil 2008. Yakshamitraro Dubai holds Yakshagana performance honors artist. UAE Bunds gather in Dubai hold annual family get-together. Konkan Catholic Association in Israel inaugurated. News headline from Mumbai. Ronz Bantwal and Dr. Gerard Pinto received Divo Sahitya Puraskar 2007. News headlines from Mangalore. Kavita Fest 2008 delights poetry lovers in the city. Dirve Wilfi Night entertains Sunday audience at Aloysius College open grounds. And in our entertainment bash, we have a song by Babita Pinto from Dirve Wilfi Night and a Konkani number by Prakash Mahadevan from Vincent Night.
Apurva for Atlan.
News in detail. Mangaloreans love food and their daily diet consists of rice and fish. Spicy Mangalorean delicacies have continuously delighted the hearts and taste buds of gourmets. Mogavir Bahrain gave a chance to both Tulu and non-Tulu speaking expatriates living in Bahrain to discover the very best of Mangalore's food during their annual food event Atil 2008 recently. Mogavis cooked around 60 Mangalorean specialities with great energy and shared it with great energy. We have a report on this mouth-watering event. Mogavis, a community known for its culinary skills and expertise, organized Atil 2008 variety mouth-watering homemade cuisine show at Papillon Restaurant Auditorium in Bahrain on Thursday 10th January. Earlier, Girish Idia, Association President, welcomed the crowd. Nisar Ahmed, owner of the Gulf Russian restaurant, inaugurated the program. The lip-smacking dishes were labelled in Tulu and displayed in an orderly, eye-catching manner for anybody staking at special subsidized prices. Really, food is a great way to bind people together. Apart from their spicy home food, Mangalorean expatriates also miss watching their favorite performing art, Yakshagana. Yakshamitraro Dubai, which is in the forefront of promoting Yakshagana in the UAE over the last few years, provides an opportunity for the Mangaloreans to enjoy watching Yakshagana now and then. On Thursday, January 10th, the artists from Dakshina Kannada and Udupi districts who were invited to perform in the Gulf enthralled the jam-packed audience with two Yakshagana performances, Dakshadwara and Bhargava Vijaya. Yakshamitraro Dubai organized Yakshagana performance Bhargava Vijaya and Dakshadwara at Nashwan Auditorium in the Al Nasser Leisureland on Thursday, January 10th evening, entertained the jam-packed audience to the maximum. The baritone voice of Bhagavat Jai Prakash Nidvanaya, superb acting by Siddhakatte Channappa Shetty and Chandai Vadana by none other than well-known Vorkadi Ganesh Sitaram were the special attraction of the evening. Shweta Bhatt stole the limelight on an entertaining evening with her lively portrayal of Dakshayani's role. Siddhakatte Channappa Shetty was conferred with Yakshagana Kala Tilak Award, while Jai Prakash Nidvanaya was honoured with the Bhagavat Ratna Award on the same occasion. Safa Park, one of the most sought-after tourist destinations in Dubai, is usually packed with visitors, especially during weekends. This weekend too, on Friday, January 11th, there was hectic activity in the park, as hundreds of bunds living across UAE had gathered with their families to participate in the fun-filled family get-together, a platform to meet and know each other. Bunds Association of Dubai celebrated its annual get-together, which was held at the Safa Park in Dubai on Friday, January 11th. The cultural programs were also held during the occasion. Siddhakatte Channappa Shetty, who had arrived there to perform Yakshagana, was felicitated on the occasion. Somaya College professor Dr. Sanjeev Shetty's book was also released. Professor Sanjeev Shetty, the trustee of Goregaon Kannada Association, along with the president of the association Salyan, Secretary Lakshmi R. Shetty, Cha Parka team manager Karnoor Mohan Rai were all present on the occasion. Not only in the Middle East, quite a good number of Mangalorians live in other parts of the world also, and wherever they go, they form associations to keep in touch with their fellow Mangalorians. Mangalorian Catholics living in Israel formed an association recently which was inaugurated at a grand function held at Tel Aviv, the capital city of Israel. Konkani Catholic Association, formed by Konkani-speaking Mangalorians in Israel, was inaugurated recently at Tel Aviv city. Earlier, Father Cyril D'Souza, parish priest of Bandra, Father Clayton of Goa, Father Paul of Shirva and Father Jaya Sheila, assistant parish priest of Yafo parish, celebrated Holy Eucharist. Christmas, New Year and Tel Aviv Vado Fest was also observed by the association. Father Cyril D'Souza presided over the function. Sister Celine De Silva of Mumbai, Father Clayton from Goa and Father Paul of Shirva were the chief guests of the occasion. Stephen De Mello Pambur, president of the association, and organizer Melvin Furtado were present on the occasion. Divo is an illustrated Konkani weekly in Kannada script published from Mumbai. The weekly has got a wide circulation in Mangalore, Mumbai and the Gulf. Every year, Divo Weekly presents Sahitya Puraskar Award to those who contribute a lot for the promotion of Konkani literature and language. This year, the award was presented to journalist Rons Bantwal and Dr. Gerard Pinto. Divo Literary Award 2007 was presented to Rons Bantwal, a journalist, and Dr. Gerard Pinto, professor of Milagros College, Kalyanpur, on Saturday, January 12th at a glittering ceremony held at Dr. Antonio De Silva's High School Auditorium in Dadar East. Lawrence D'Souza, Maharashtra State President of All India Catholic Union, Stani Saldana businessman, Alvin Lobo Siddhakatte of Infotech, Janet L. D'Souza, Lawrence Coelho, editor and publisher of Divo, were present. Jesu Maka Apoita, Konkani mini play, authored and directed by Naveen Kulshekar, was performed as a part of entertainment program. Later, Konkani musical concert was held by Anthony Tauro and group. In our local news, we have a report on Kavita Fest, a literary program held by Kavita Trust, and a report from enchanting Dirvem Wilfie Night. But after this short break, stay right there.
ಏನು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಡ್ತಿದ್ರಾ?
ಹೌದೌದು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ? ಪರಿಹಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಮನೆ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುದೀರ್ಘ ಅನುಭವವಿರುವ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಅತ್ಯಾಧುನಿಕ, ಅತ್ಯಪೂರ್ವ ಹಾಗೂ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಗಳು. ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಮಾತಾಗಿರುವ ಅಪೂರ್ವದ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರು ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ.
I had lot of dreams and Apurva made it possible.
ದುಂಬುಯಾನ ಅಪೂರ್ವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲಿ ಕೇಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡೈತೆ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಅನುಭವಡು ಅಕಲ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಂಕ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಉಂಟು.
ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್, ಆಶೀಶ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಗುಟ್ಟು ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು. ಫೋನ್ 2492417.
Welcome back after the break. In any literature, poetry constitutes an important form of literary expression. Kavita Trust, which is on its mission to promote all-round growth of Konkani poetry, organized Kavita Fest 2008 at St. Aloysius College Auditorium on Saturday, January 12th. Multi-language poetry sessions under the presidentship of Yusuf A. Sheikh was a major attraction. Kavita Fest 2008, the festival of poetry organized by Kavita Trust, a trust for the promotion and promulgation of Konkani poetry, was held at St. Aloysius College IT block on Saturday evening of January 12th. The program started with a prayer by Anita Samson.
मान मुझी पायां तुझा सकतुंदी देवा मुझा हरी काळजांत मै पासाचे किरण पेटय आता.
Kavita Trust President Melvin Rodriguez, Secretary Kishore Barkur, writer Yusuf A. Sheikh and Vaidehi jointly inaugurated the program. The chief guest, well-known Kannada writer Vaidehi, delivering her keynote address, opined that there is no language for poetry. Poetry itself is a language.
ಕವಿತೆಗಿಂತ ಇನ್ಯಾವುದು ಟಾನಿಕ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಜೀವ ಜಲ, ಇಡೀ ಸಮಾಜದ ಜೀವ ಜಲ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಒಂದು ಕವಿತೆ. ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹಾಡಿದ್ಲ ಅವಳು. ಹುಡುಗಿ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಈ ಕವಿತೆ, ಈ ಹಾಡು ಒಂದು ಕವಿತೆ, ಹಾಡೋದ್ರ ಸುತ್ತವೇ ಒಂದು ಕವಿತೆ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಕವಿತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಬ್ದದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕವಿತೆಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ರತ್ನದಂಥ ಕವಿತೆಗಳು. ಹೀಗೆ ಈ ಸ್ವರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಧ್ವನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಫುಲಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಫಲಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹಿಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇರುವ ಕವಿತೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಟ್ಟೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿರಂತರವಾದ ಧ್ಯಾನವಾದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜ ಕೂಡ ಬದುಕತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭೇದಗಳು ಮರೆತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮೃದುವಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ದ್ರತೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ದಿನದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಒಣಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
Winners of the All India Konkani Poetry Competition organized by Kavita Trust were distributed prizes. Vinita Ashok Nayak, a 10th standard student of Sharda English High School from Marsala, Goa, Jonathan Baptist, a 6th standard student of Manovikas English Medium School from Madgaon, and Prajoti Shirotkar, a 10th standard student of Chubby Cheek Spring Valley High School from Pilerna, Goa, won the first 3 prizes respectively. 2 Konkani books, namely Ankri, written by Maxim Lobo, and Kaula Palvonchi Naula, an anthology of poems, were also released on the occasion. Melvin Rodriguez welcomed the gathering. Later, a poetry session was held which was presided over by the writer Yusuf A. Sheikh. Well-known poets in Kannada, Konkani, Tulu and Bari read out their poems.
लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी. वाठार यता प्रार्थना जाऊन खोल इच्छा मजी, दिवलेतल्या वाती बसेन जाऊं देवा जीण मजी.
ತುಳುನಾಡ ಸೀಮೆ ಪಡುಮಾಲೆ ಬೂಡು ಕಾಯೇರ ಕಾಡುಡಿಯೇ, ಕಾಯೇರ ಕಾಡುಡಿಯೇ. ಪಕ್ಕಿದ ಬುಲಿಪು ಕೋರಿದ ಕೆಲೆಪು ಬಾರಿಡು ಕೇನುಂಡುಯೇ.
बिटीच्या दाटकोळ्यांनी केल्ल्या बांकारांनी दिल्ल्या बाबान मोर्चे आदीं 20 रुपये आनी सुमारशा लांबयेचें बंजाण हातूंत म्हाका दिल्लें. 20 रुपये आनी सुमारशा लांबयेचें बंजाण हातूंत म्हाका दिल्लें. हांवें दोळ्यांक दांबून धरिल्लें, दोळे ಓಲೆ ಜಲ್ಲೆ.
ಈ ಖಾಲಿ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಪೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಪುಟ್ಟದೆಂದು ದೂರವಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡದಿರು ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷದ ಉಡುಗೊರೆ.
घुमचे कट्टर शिगम्या मेळ वाजता गो, आगो माना सोबई माणा तुम्ही नाचू केयात गो, आगो माना सोबई माणा तुम्ही नाचू केयात गो.
म्हज्या देशांत आज सतांची सुन्नत जाता. फोटीचे गांठीक कोंडाम शिरकावन नितीचेर संभोग चलता. तांबड्या गल्लेंतल्या गडदेंत पवन वेच्या इर्जना बरी कायदे कानुना पाजरोन वेतात.
नंडो गुर्तमे नंडो औतुलु किटातो कनकेतो ಈ ಗತಿ, ಉಲ್ಗಪರ್ತುಲುಂ ಚುತ್ತುಮುತ್ತುಲುಂ ಕಮಿಯ ಚಿಮ್ಮೆರೋ ಮೇಕಲಿ.
Poets Yusuf A. Sheikh, Dr. Ganesh Amin Sankamar, Stephen Quadris, P.K. Bashir, Avina Miyar, Jyoti Guru Prasad, Pandarinath Lotlikar, Catherine Rodriguez, Elyar Takode, Mohammad Badur, Ashok Chondakar, Dr. Kavita Rai participated.